it's Sam. So today we are going to be doing a basically how I get this hair. I don't know what to call it. It's just like a super like casual waves. I don't know. I guess they're kind of like beachy waves. I'm constantly getting questions about of people asking me to do a tutorial on this hair. So whenever I wear it like this, I constantly get DMs, comments, Instagram comments about how do you get your hair like that? What curling iron do you use? What, you know, could you show us how you do it? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get this kind of like loose, silky wave. I don't know what to call it exactly, but this is how I wear my hair most of the time. And I'm just gonna walk you guys through the steps. I will link everything down below for you guys in the description box of what I use to get this look. And I also have a blonde hair care routine that will be coming up on Thursday. Yeah, so that'll be coming up tomorrow, and you guys will get to see like all the actual products that I use as far as like shampoo and conditioner and leave-in and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested. But yeah, my hair is very healthy. It's like, it's in really good condition for blonde hair, and I get a lot of compliments on it, so that's always nice. So thank you to everyone who compliments me on my hair, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so close to 300,000. I just want to reach 300,000 before 2021 is over. I have 11 months. If I can't reach 300,000 by the end of 2021, I should just call it good. Because I have 297,000 and like, I don't know, 800 or something. I'm very close, but I just want to reach 300,000 because then it's like a solid number. 300,000. I mean, the goal is to reach 1 million, but that's never going to happen. So I've just given up on that. I just got to go with small goals now. But yeah, if you could help me reach 300,000, just share on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you guys like to be on. If you could just share me, that would be great. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is my curling iron. I love it the most. This is the Conair Infinity Pro. I think it's a 1.5 inch. And I just have it to the very hottest setting. There's just like this button right here. So I'm gonna let that heat up. Oh yeah, it is a 1.5 inch, it says. And then I'm just gonna brush. Oh, I've got a tangle. I always start right in the crown. And I alternate facing towards, oh, that one didn't work. I didn't get a good grip. Facing towards and facing away from my face. So the first one I do, I face away. It's so hard to tell, isn't it? I think it's away. And then I always leave this 2-inch bit out. And then I go like this, and like this, and like this, and then I pull the end. That way you have that like super straight end, and it makes it just look like really casual. So see, now on this section, I'm curling it towards my face. And I'm still leaving that little end bit out. My God, everyone is texting me right now. Aw. We sent it, or we took a bunch of Lily's old clothes that don't fit her to my friend's house for her daughters. And she just sent me a picture because she said that she loves them. I always love that when you give like other kids, your kids like clothes that don't fit, and they like get so excited. It's like Christmas. Okay, so this one is going away. And you can see with this iron, you can use quite big sections, so it doesn't take that long to do, which is like, that's what I'm about. I'm all about the quick, easy life. Again, pulling the end bit, that's the trick. If you don't pull the end bit, don't even bother. You will not get the same look. You have to leave the end bit out. It's totally changed my hair game. And as I get to the bottom, I grab bigger sections because I just am like, whatever, it's underneath. Who cares? Haha. Hiya. Okay, then when I get to the top, I kind of like separate it and put this over here and tuck it behind my ear. And then this whole thing I go forward with. I feel like you can get closer to the ear if you go forward right here. Because I do get kind of weird waves right there. Can you imagine if your face was lifted like this? Little mini facelift. Whoa! That's like my guilty pleasure on Instagram. I probably shouldn't, but I follow all these plastic surgeons. I love seeing the before and afters. I feel like they're seriously so rewarding to watch. Of like these mini facelifts, and oh, it's just amazing what they can do. This one, I go away. Isn't it? Like, it's just incredible. Some of the before and afters are like nose jobs. Like, I don't even want a nose job, but I just like to see, it's just like so rewarding to see the before and after of these people. I just find it to be like so just intriguing to see what people can do nowadays. It's just amazing. But there's some really talented plastic surgeons on Instagram. I just love to see, like, when it's like, you know, ladies in their 60s and 70s getting these facelifts. It's like incredible what you can do. And they don't look like the typical facelifts that they used to back in the day, you know, when we were young, where you'd see a facelift and you're like, dang, she is pulled tight. They look so natural nowadays. It's just incredible that, like, how far they've come with, like, just the, I don't know, whatever it is that they do. I love that kind of stuff. I think if I was smart enough, I would love to be in that industry, but I think my time has come for that, and I just don't think I could be bothered to go to school for that long, but I would be so also, I like hate blood, so I could never actually do it, but I just love anything to do with that kind of stuff. Like, I don't mind looking at it, but I feel like trying to like actually do it myself, like trying to actually be a nurse injector or a plastic surgeon, like, I don't actually think that I could do it, but I just love seeing the results. I just find it to be so amazing. I just love it. So rewarding. I suppose it's the same kind of thing with hair, isn't it, really? I mean, it's like completely different because obviously, yeah, it's curled. You know, it's got nothing to do with like blood but it's the change. It's seeing a difference. Like, that's what I loved the most about doing hair, was that I got to see an immediate difference, and it was like so rewarding when someone would come in with like super dark hair and then they wanted highlights, and then they would leave looking completely different with like all these blonde caramel highlights. Like, I just loved the transformation. I'm all about the transformation. And I feel like that's what I love so much about following plastic surgeons online, is the transformation. It's just like, it's like when you shovel. Like I told Jay, if it's like super light snow, like if it's just a few inches, like I want to go shovel. Number one, because it's great exercise. But number two, it's such a transformation. I like to see when you push the snow and it's like, it's just dry underneath, and then there's, you know, it's just like, I love, it's just such a rewarding thing. So I told him, like, if it's super heavy, you can snow blow. But if it's light, like, let me do it, because I need to work out, and I also really like watching the difference. It's just so fun. Is anyone else that way? It's just all about the rewarding transformation for me. Okay, so I'm doing the exact same thing on this side. One side is going forward, one side is going backwards. And the reason I do this, I feel, don't know if this is true, but I feel like if your hair is starting to thin, which mine is, what did I just do this way? Okay, I did that towards. I feel like when you alternate ways, it makes you appear to have more hair, because the hair is going in different directions. So it just kind of makes it look like you have more hair than you do. So that's why I do it. I personally just feel like it makes it look like you have more hair than you do. And I need that in my life. It's not that my hair is bad. Like, I've seen people with worse, but it's like when you compare it to what it used to be, just a little bit of a bums in the thumbs, you know? Like, I know I have good hair, so I don't want to complain about it, because I know that there's other people that be like, dude, I would kill for your hair. And I'm like, yeah, I totally get it. It's just when you like, it's when you're, you know, comparison is the thief of joy. It's when you compare your hair to what it used to be, it kind of makes you feel a bit sad. It's like when you compare your body now to your 21-year-old body, it makes you feel a bit sad. Even though you know your body isn't bad at the moment, it's just not what it used to be. And so in your mind, like, you think like, this is what I look like. And then you look in the mirror and you're like, oh, actually I don't. What a bummer. I might just do this whole thing because I'm lazy. Oh, look at that pull. Wah, wah, wee, wah. Amazing. Wow, look at that. Okay, and then we're just gonna do this one backwards. And I pretty much always section my hair the exact same way. And then I always go back with these top two sections. I just feel like it looks the best that way. Also, I can tell my lips aren't as swollen because I can whistle again. I couldn't whistle for a while there and I was feeling a little sad about it. Oh, I just mangled that one. What just happened there? I got all bent. Okay, so then sometimes I will notice that I've had a little like crease and I'll just go back in and just kind of smooth it out if there's any creases. I hate creases. So usually, most days, I will just leave it like this because I sometimes don't like the feeling of product, and because my hair is quite clean at the moment, honestly, I just feel like I'm gonna let it be shiny today. But if I did want to give it a ton of body and volume, this is what I would do. So on the days where my hair isn't like as clean, or I do want to have like way bigger hair, then I would use the Unite Liquid Volume. And this just really like makes it huge. It like really just buffs up the hair and kind of gives it a ton of texture. It makes it look really big and like you have so much more hair than you do. And then I would spray a little bit of the Kerastase Fresh Affair Refreshing Dry Shampoo at the root, just to kind of give me a little bit of body and texture up there. But I need to like make my mirror higher because I can't see. I'm like actually fine with this, and this is how I think I've worn it when I've had a lot of people asking for me to do this this wave. So that's what I do. I literally just, I washed my hair yesterday. Yeah, I washed my hair yesterday. I let it dry naturally. I never blow dry my hair, and then I would just curl it the following day. And then sometimes this side does a little bit of a weird thing and it annoys me. Yeah, see, that's doing something weird. So I'll just like tuck it in and then it sits better. But that's all I do, you guys. It's all about the curling iron, and it's all about the technique. It's about pulling that last 2 inches and pulling it down and straighten, and then doing one toward and one behind. And that's how you get these waves, so that they aren't, they're like uniform, but they're not too uniform. And I think that's why it makes your hair look like more hair than you have, is because, you know, you've got one curl going this way and then one curl going this way, and then it kind of just makes it look like you have more hair. So that's what I do. There you guys go. There is my everyday, I don't wear makeup every day. I don't do my hair every day, but this is my everyday, every time I do my makeup and hair makeup look. I pretty much do this the exact same thing all the time. I will link everything down below that I used here for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.